How to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is that you will need to open up your Facebook. Now make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you're on your account, you can head over to the bottom right corner where it says menu. After you're on the menu section, you can scroll down, you will see settings and privacy. You can head over to settings first. After doing that, scroll down, and after you scroll down, there should be an option called activity log. It's under your activity. So head over to activity log, and there you should find a search bar on the top right corner. Tap on it. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to search for others, and there you'll find an option that says other people's post to your feed. Now this will give you the list of all of the posts that other people such as your friends or followers have posted on your feed. So head over there, and when it's your birthday you will get a long list of birthday wishes. And now to reply for each and every one of them, you can head over to the view option and then tap on comment and then simply reply. And you can do this repeatedly. You can just head down again, reply to the second wish, then reply to the third wish, and keep on doing that. And that is how you can reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video as well. Stay tuned. Bye bye.